Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to record audio on your Android device without installing any third-party application. And this is very easy, guys. So once you're on your phone, guys, just simply do a swipe up and you simply want to type in voice recorder, right? And just simply type voice. You will be able to see it appear immediately. Now once you see this voice recorder, you simply want to open that, guys, and all you have to do is just simply go ahead and tap on this recording option to record. Now at the moment it is not able to record any voice audio because I'm currently using the microphone on my phone. But all you have to do is just simply hit this red button there and it will start to record the voice audio for you. Now you can also go ahead and check a few settings here. If you click the three dots on the uppermost right hand side, you will be able to go to settings and you can go ahead and you can play around with the quality. If you so desire, you can also play around with the recording stereo. You can always save. You can always play around with all of these features as you can see here. But that's all there is to it, guys. All you have to do is just simply go ahead and use this. Now, once you're finished, guys, it is very easy to find these recordings. All you have to do, just simply go ahead and go to the files on your phone. So just go ahead again, go to a swipe up, and you simply want to search for files. As you can see that on my phone as well, just open up my files, and from here you will be able to go to audio files and you will find all of those audio files on your phone, and you will be able to find them there in this location. Now if you connect your phone to your computer, this is also very easy to find, because once you connect your Android phone to your computer, you will find a folder that says recordings, and within that folder you will be able to find the audio files that you have recorded.